A weather alert now on Hurricane Florence. Several states have declared a state of emergency as the powerful storm continues to trek toward the east coast. Adam Klotz is tracking the storm in the Fox Extreme Weather Center. Adam.
Hey there, John. This is one everyone's going to need to pay attention to, and rightly some of these states are already doing so because it is going to be a powerful storm no matter what. There's our center of circulation, currently a Category 1 storm, but you notice how quickly jumping up to a Cat 4, taking you all the way into Thursday. That's now Thursday morning where you're still off the coast of the Carolinas, at least in this particular model, running onshore likely Thursday night into early Friday morning. So that means there's a long time for this to still maybe shift a little bit. The one thing we're certain of, the waters just stay very warm. It takes 80-degree water to fuel a big hurricane. Well, you're looking at waters from where it sits now. Bathwater, 85 degrees running all the way up to the east coast. That's going to be enough to let this continue to grow, continue to get stronger. The winds are going to be strong. The rains are going to be heavy. Now, our tropical models, as I said, it's really far away, so there's a couple models that still have some indecision. But when you run as many models as we're running here and there's such consistency, you do begin to have an idea of where this is eventually going to track. And most of them take it into the Carolinas, again, late Thursday into early Friday morning. One of our best models, one we like to use a lot, is the Euro model. I'm going to break it down for you as its movement. You can pay attention to the timestamp up in the corner. This is now Wednesday. So we're telling you by Wednesday, likely still, other than choppy seas, still not seeing a lot of effects across the Carolinas. Continue to put it into motion. Perhaps, at least at this model, still time to change. You're getting into Thursday morning as you're really beginning to approach, lingering later in the day Thursday into Friday morning. And this is the time where you'd really start to see those heavy rains and that strong wind. And I do think rain is going to be one of the big issues here. Here's our forecasted rainfall, and it's taking you now into areas. Once you see that landfall, perhaps a huge area here of the Carolinas running up to Virginia, where you could see as much as a foot of rain, in some cases getting up towards 2 feet. It all depends on if this stalls out or continues to move. That's something we're going to have to wait and see. But the winds obviously will also be there with this. So I'm just going to leave you with this, John. But again, we're talking about late Thursday into Friday. At least that's our current timing. We're going to have a better idea on Monday and Tuesday.
Thanks for the warning. Adam Klotz.